Is the coach Gino here, tackle trading, bringing you another Gino's Gem for the week. Little tidbits I like to throw out there. We call them gems, trading tricks to help you. And I hope it does help you because these are things I've learned over the last 22 years of trading. This one's pretty easy. This is my seasonality tool. This is kind of cool. I was in StockCharts.com here, and a lot of websites have these tools. There's even software that sell them, but seasonality could create, like, is there a consistency here? Maybe, maybe not. So decide if you like this tool. I'm going to show you real quickly. I'm going to go to S&P, the major markets. Down here on the bottom, there's seasonality. And when you click this, it's going to give you how the consistency of this product is. Now, I'm going to do a little thing here that most people don't realize. I'm going to take out this year since it's not finished. 2017 to 2021. I like to go back about 10 years just to make the math easy. So basically what this says, the last 10 years, the S&P has had 90% up performance on these months, April, July, and November. So that's 9 times out of 10. That definitely points out some kind of seasonality there for the market. Now, that's just one thing to look at. You can take it or leave it. You can go back as far as you want. This goes back quite a few years. You can go back 20 years. April still stands out. So does November. One thing I did find about seasonality is if you put things in like commodities, for example, natural gas. I'll put natural gas in there. Again, I'm going to go back just 10 years just to make it easy. And you can see I'm stretching this bar down here, 10 years, right there on the bottom. And it stands out seasonality-wise. It looks like natural gas, April and August, are definitely the best months. And then if I go to maybe a stock, I'm going to put Apple in there. Who knows? There's any seasonality with your stock? So you might want to just throw it in there if you're curious about any seasonality. It looks like Apple 90% of the time is up 7.4% in the last year. Last 10 years, that's 90%. So there is some rhyme to the reason. Who knows? Check it out. See if there's any seasonality factors in what you're looking at. If you're an investor, what's the best month to go into a product? One last one. I put Big Blue in here. Here's IBM. Last 10 years, you can see there's 3 months that stand out on Big Blue. And that would be February, July, and November. Not 70% of the time, there's a 1.6% move, 1.7, and 2.8. So look for consistency and seasonality because that's what it's about. Here's a free tool. I hope it works for you. There's another Gino Gem. And see you next.